Hey there everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo in Canva. So yes, you heard me right, you can create a logo in Canva. Canva is a versatile thing, so let's dive right in. So in the search bar, let's type a logo. And okay, you can either choose from any one of them. Let's see, let's choose this one. And okay, so this is the pro version, I cannot use it. And let's choose this one. Okay, you can simply either and create it on your own. Let's change this thing, editing, wait, what, 24/7, and let's curve it up. So okay, there's a problem. So you can see right here is that there is no any curve and all. There's some strike through. Let's not do that. Say align with page. So there's one option to either do this, or you can simply editing 24/7, enter. So okay, you see what happened right here. It's simply choosing that. You can even change the picture and the colors as well. Change into orange or purple like that. If this is good. So yeah, this is one way. So another way is that you can simply create it on your own. Delete all of these, the whole thing, and change the entire thing. You can simply choose from the start, choose a circle from here. Let's say I choose the circle, and okay, let's put it here. And delete this one, and let's change the color into blue, and let's choose for some letterings, let's go to element and type for something like E, enter. Okay, let's go to graphics, and there's an E, so let's smaller, and yeah, you can also create some shadows. So this can be a simple logo. So yeah, you can create it. You can show your creative skills and make a logo like that using the elements and stuff. So yeah, this is how I create a logo in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.